One filing is a data point. 7 related filings are a pattern. At Cardinal Infrastructure Group, ticker CDNL, 6 insiders bought shares on August 14. A 7th bought on August 17. Their Form 4 filings became public on August 17 and August 18. Together, the 7 insiders reported open market purchases worth approximately $8.5 million. As those separate filings became public, TradingEdgeIQ's Public Filings Intelligence solution connected them using a rolling 14-day window. The first disclosure received no cluster credit. The second received 5 points. The third received 8. By the 4th disclosure, the pattern qualified for the maximum 10 cluster points. Director Richard Lee's disclosure was the 6th in the sequence. It scored 87. 10 of those points came directly from the cluster. Without the cluster contribution, the same disclosure would have scored 77. That is why clusters matter. By the time Lee's filing became public, 5 colleagues had disclosed similar open market purchases. Separate disclosures pointing in the same direction provide stronger corroborating evidence and a higher level of confidence in the disclosed pattern than one isolated purchase. This is how TradingEdgeIQ's Public Filings Intelligence solution highlights evidence. It does not predict price. If you think you can trade more confidently with signals like these, subscribe to TradingEdgeIQ's Public Filings Intelligence solution at TradingEdgeIQ.com today.